Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good today. Okay, so guys, in this tutorial, in this channel, you guys are going to learn how to make money online. And yes, of course, it's going to be a free course. You don't have to pay any charges for this. Okay, so uh, let's start with the introductory class. And today I am going to share my introduction. I will share who I am, what's my past experience, what services I provide, and how I continue with my freelancer career, what currently I am doing. Okay, and I will also cover what are the topics that I am going to upload in on this channel, and what skills you guys are going to learn. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, before moving to my introduction, let me tell you this is not something that won't need any hard work. This is not something that will help you earn $1,000 in 24 hours. Yep, in to make $1,000 a month, you have to do a good effort. It won't be something that you can build your empires in a day. You have to do some effort, and yes, some motivation would be needed, and some uh, you don't have to give up. Okay, freelancing is not an easy task, but if you have determination, then you can easily achieve your target. Okay, so let's start with my introduction. Basically, I have done MBA and my expertise is in marketing. My majors were marketing, and I am the founder of 3 online businesses. One is e-commerce store, and 2 are my online businesses. One is my digital marketing agency, and second one is my e-commerce store, which is related to the affiliate marketing. Okay, so my skills are I've been doing social media marketing from the last 6 years, and then I am a website designer, I'm a graphic designer. I do SEO for my clients, and then I do affiliate marketing for a few of my clients, and then I have a few sites of affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is my brief introduction, and I have been doing freelancing for like past 6 years. I have my client mostly from US, UK, and Australia. Okay, so let's start with the main topics what you guys are going to learn in this tutorial. Okay, so you will get the knowledge related to Fiverr, like if you are going to start your freelancing career, which platform, which marketplace you should select first, which option is best as a beginner, and why should you go for this platform. Okay, so these are the top platforms that are being used by freelancers, and they are earning a good amount. Okay, so here are a few main marketplaces. It's Fiverr, Upwork, the great platform to earn a good amount. You can also make an agency account on Upwork, and you can earn a very good amount if you have a good team of 2 to 3 guys. You have 2 to 3 friends, or maybe 5 to 10 people around you. You can make a team, and then you can work on Upwork. And then Freelancer.com, people for our group, and then YouTube. You can earn money via YouTube easily. I will upload some good tutorials about this channel as well. And last but not the least, and very important, you can earn money from your own brand instead of earning from these platforms, you can come up with your website, and then you can introduce your company, you can market your products and services, and make your own brand rather than working for some marketplace. But again, in the start, you would need some help from these marketplaces to have some clients, and then you can move on to these brands. Okay, so on all these marketplaces, I am going to upload the tutorials on all these marketplaces, but let me tell you what I am going to cover. For example, if I am going to I am uploading anything or I am teaching anything on Fiverr.com, so these are the subtopics that I am going to cover. Like, I will first of all upload the introduction of the marketplace, which is very important to watch, to understand. It's something like, if you are working for a company, then you should know the marketing tactics of this company, how that company works, how they sign your orders, what commission they charge, and you need to know each and everything about them before moving to these platforms. It would be very helpful for you in future. Okay, and then the most important topic, how to build your profile, how to build something that will attract your customers. And once you have set up a very engaging and good profile, you need a strong proposal. Since remember, there are thousands of freelancers that are working all over the world, and they might have some good expertise, and then they are in the marketplace. So you have to be aggressive, you have to be different, and your proposal and bid should be interesting, should engage your client, should attract your client. And then how to get your first order, how to communicate. This is a very important factor in freelancing, since we are not physically dealing with any client. So your communication level should be very good. Your communication skills would matter a lot in this entire business. And why you should go for customer readiness rather than satisfaction. For example, if your customer is satisfied with 100% of the task, we have to offer him 120%. He will be delighted rather than only satisfied. And then how to retain clients, how to convert dissatisfied customers into long-term clients. Many of my students used to ask that how I can convert this dissatisfied customer. He can post like, he can submit negative review, and he can, my profile would not be considered as a good profile, or my rating would go down. So I would tell you how you can convert your dissatisfied customers into long-term clients. For each and everything, I'm going to share a practical example, so you guys have a better idea. Okay, then how to convert your client into long term. And then last, it would be how to create more money from the same client, how you can diversify your services, and how you can offer to a specific client. Okay, so there are few skills that we are going to learn. These are some of the basic skills that I have just mentioned. There might be more. If you guys would comment, if you guys would share your feedback, I may come up with some more skills. Okay, first of all, if you don't have any skill, if you are someone who has just completed your degree, who has just completed your college, your school, and if you are interested to come up to join freelancing career, yes, you can. You don't need any skill. I am going to teach you that how you can earn. And then we have content writing. It's very demanding nowadays. Graphic designing, evergreen thing. Affiliate marketing, very a perfect source, a perfect passive income source. And then e-commerce store development, website designing, WordPress, very engaging gig for the startup businesses. Okay, and then SEO, how you can rank your website on Google and you can generate business without spending much. Okay, so but the most important thing is how to get orders and earn, which I have already told you in the past slide. I will teach you each and everything, how you can start your career and how you can master in it. Okay, so this would be the question that must be in your mind: how much I can earn. I have just completed my degree. I am expecting like $2,000 a month. I am expecting $5,000 a month. And if I join freelancing career, how much I can earn? See, I cannot say you would earn $5,000 a month or you will earn $10 a month. It completely depends on your effort, your determination, and your willingness to do this job. If you don't earn anything, I would be honest with you guys. I won't say you will. I am 100% sure that you would earn something. I would never say anything that I can't commit. If you guys are going to earn $0, then don't do so. That will be your experience. If you guys are not earning anything, you have to change your strategy. You have to change your effort. You have to do more effort now. Your determination level should be very, very high. Okay, and if there are the chances that for the first 3 months you guys won't earn anything, and in the fourth month you guys might start with $1,000 a month, I will give you my example, my real life example, how I started my freelancer career, how much I lost my amount, how many clients scammed me, but still I never lose my hope. I am still working on it. Okay, so you guys can earn $1,000 or you guys can earn $10,000 a month. I know many people in this freelancing career who are earning $40,000 a month. They are doing it for like 12 to 14 hours a day. So it's your full-time business and they are earning a good amount. Okay, so guys, this was just an introductory class, and I am going to upload more topics in the same channel. I will upload a playlist where I am going to cover all these topics. We will start with I will start with Fiverr or maybe Upwork, so you guys can earn and you guys can start your career. I would recommend one thing, that you guys should watch all the videos and then join these platforms instead of just directly joining it without any learning. First learn and then earn. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.